The 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, cruise control, heated steering wheel, power brakes, clock, child safety locks, compass, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.